Do you believe in global warming? Hi, my name is Priscilla, and this year for my junior project class, Be the Change, I chose global warming as my core problem, not only to bring more awareness, but because it affects everyone, even myself. And here are the top 5 reasons greenhouse gases are real. Number 1. Scientists have actually proved it. Here is a video from NASA talking about what scientists believe about global warming.
Does the scientific community feel that global warming is decreasing or increasing?
Yeah, like a lot of people ask me, has there been a pause in global warming because, temperatures aren't increasing as fast as they were a decade ago? And I always say, pause are for kittens and puppies because global warming is definitely still increasing. We're still getting more heat trapped into the oceans. The oceans are sucking it up. And sea level's still rising. Look at the sea level record for the last decade. It's going up like gangbusters, hasn't slowed down. So is there a pause in global warming? No, there's not really a pause in global warming. Sometimes there's natural fluctuations and we warm up a little faster in one decade and a little slower in another decade. But global warming, human-caused climate change, that's definitely going right on up in there. We haven't slowed down at all.
Number 2. Countless dangerous CO2 emissions. CO2 emissions make up a great amount of the gases that are exerted into the Earth's atmosphere. If you take a look at this chart, you can see how each of these countries have had an increase in CO2 emissions. Although the United States of America is not the first highest, it is the second, which is why people need to start reducing it. Number 3. Ecosystems that have taken years to build are now getting destroyed by global warming. The animals have to respond fast to the change in temperature to live, and that makes it harder for them, which is why most animals are dying at a faster rate. As the temperature changes, the water availability starts to get more difficult for animals, and the vegetation is decreased and animals die. Overpopulation is also another key factor that affects animals due to more highways being made and less land for their homes. Number 4. When people think about climate change, they think about the ice glaciers melting in Antarctica. But did you know the core problem actually begins with global warming? From global warming comes climate change, which is what affects the ice glaciers and melts them. Number 5. Not only are all the problems listed significant factors when it comes to global warming and greenhouse gases, but so are oceans getting destroyed. Acidification is one of the most dangerous things that could happen in the ocean. Ocean acidification is the ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's ocean caused by the uptake of carbon dioxide. The ocean is now running on 70% of its capability by converting chemicals to carbon dioxide. In conclusion, scientists proving global warming, dangerous CO2 emissions, ecosystems getting destroyed, ice glaciers melting, and ocean acidification are all reasons why greenhouse gases are real. If people do not start taking more actions towards these problems listed, our planet will die in a matter of time. By choosing global warming as my core problem, I hope I introduced new topics and facts or made your beliefs stronger. Think about our world because us humans cause these disasters. Thank you.